Hi family, I wanted to show you today the wreath that I made. The things that you'll need will be the wreath form, a white dove from Dollar Tree, some holly, some garland, and you'll end up probably needing about 4 or 5 packs of the garland. So here's the form. So the first thing we'll do is take the garland and wrap it around the wreath. And as I stated, you'll probably need about 4 of these packs to make sure that the form is pretty thick, or the garland is pretty thick around the form, so that you can't see the green part. So yeah, you can use some hot glue to secure that the start of the garland, excuse me. And I decided, I found this trick, or saw this trick on one of the other YouTubers, to wrap the garland around your hand to get it kind of compact before you start wrapping it around the wreath. That'll give you a little bit more control. So yeah, I am gonna start wrapping it around. And I decided after this doing this particular wreath, if I'm gonna do any more wreaths for my Winter Wonderland display, I may find me a little stand or something to put it on, so that I can have both of my hands free to wrap the garland around. But yeah, that's all I'm doing right now, is keeping it kind of compact and close together. Wrap it around. I'll wrap both of these, and then I'll add about 2 or 3 more to make them thick. And then after the wreath, wrapping the wreath form, I'll add my dove, my holly, and I actually added another twig with a present and a drum and an acorn on it. So you'll see that at the end. So yeah guys, this is all I did. Just continue to wrap it around until you completely cover all of the form, and then add anything else that you like to add. And coming up, you'll see the end result. If you like more details, just let me know. Please like this video, this short video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'd love to have you guys watching some more posts of mine. Have a great day. Hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.